Hi, and thanks for joining me on Love Your Home, a renovation tip of the week brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, and I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director. Each week, you'll be joining us to learn tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. This week, we're going to learn about how you can pay for your renovation without going bankrupt. Now, whether you've been in your home for just a few short months or for a few decades, every home could use a little TLC. But how do you pay for those much needed renovations? Whether it's a small update or a major overhaul, you need to figure out where the money is going to come from to pay for it. Now, although I will provide you with a way of paying for your renovations and repairs, without a doubt, the best policy is to save up the necessary money for your renovation and ultimately only get done what you have already saved for. I was brought up that you never buy anything you can't afford to pay for up front. I still maintain that philosophy today, and I try not to make purchases that I haven't already saved up for. However, the reality is sometimes you need to make a purchase, get a renovation done, or a repair, and it just isn't realistic to wait until you've saved up for it. A great option is a HELOC. A home equity line of credit is a common way to finance large home repairs or renovations. A HELOC is a secured loan that utilizes your home as collateral. Because of this, ensure that you have at least 15 to 20% equity in your home before you even apply. The biggest advantage of a HELOC is the lower interest rate that you will normally qualify for. It's also revolving credit, which means that you only need to take out what you need when you need it. It allows for quick access to funds, and you can usually pay it back anytime you can afford it. The biggest disadvantage of this type of financing is that your home is the collateral. That means that if you miss payments regularly, you run the risk of losing your home. Also, a lot of HELOCs have variable interest rates, which means you could be paying more interest over time. Do you want to learn more about ways to pay for your home renovation? And we've got 7 of them that we talk about. Then check out my blog post at www.multitradebuildingservices.com/news/7 ways to pay for your home renovation without going bankrupt. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Love Your Home Renovation Tip of the Week. Be sure to come back next week when we talk about how to upgrade your bathroom and turn it into a luxurious space without breaking the bank. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you next week.